What's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today you're going to be watching my old man who's going to be working on the EV1 again, which is a Civic Type S for those not familiar with the particular car. What the Type S is, it's a K20A3 powered 5-door version of the EP3 effectively, which is about 170 horsepower. Now it does come with slightly smaller front brakes, which is what he's going to be upgrading in this particular video to the 300mm EP3 Civic Type R brakes that we got over here in the UK. This particular brake upgrade should also be applicable to the EP2 Sport, which is fitted with a 262mm front disc, I believe, but on the 5 lug upright or hub or knuckle or whatever you want to call it. But this is an upgrade to the 300mm discs for those EP, EV, whatever Honda Civics of the 2001 to 2006 model years, to take it up to the EP3 Civic Type R front brakes. So I'll hand over to my dad now and he'll show you what to do. So today the Civic is getting these Civic Type R brake discs, calipers and pads onto my EV1. Let's get on with it.
On tonight's program, ladies and gentlemen, we have something that's going to make you sick.
So what we've got to do is undo this flexi pipe here, but before we do that we're going to clamp it to stop any fluid from leaking and to stop any air getting into the master cylinder. Then we can remove the caliper, remove the discs, put them back together and bleed it. And this thing here is the clamp we're going to be using. Got the brake pipe flexi clamp on. So now we can remove the flexi pipe from the back of the caliper, that bolt there. And the flex is off. Then we can undo the caliper carrier bolts, that one there, and the lower one. Then we can remove the caliper, undo the 2 Phillips screws on the discs off, then we fit as new components and bleed the brakes.
Sick.
This is the disc, new one versus old one. You can see the difference in size there. It's a few millimetres bigger, we're going 282mm to 300mm. Okay, we've got the bleed nipple undone with 10mm on ready. We've connected that up to a tube which goes to a bottle that's already got fluid in. We've got it higher than the bleed nipple. This is going to allow me to bleed this all by my lonesome. So we'll just get the clamp off, top the fluid up, and I'll jump in and start pumping. That's it, we're built back up again. 10 presses of the brake pedal, I locked the bleed nipple up, pumped the brake piston up so it was in contact with the pads, went solid. No sponginess in the pedal. Then I've put both my feet on the brake pedal, held pressure on, and everything's dry, no leaks. Look, all that good. Time to do it other side. These are the tools that we've used on the other side. Obviously we'll be using the same ones on this side as well. that is it, we are done. The EV1 now has EP3 discs and calipers at the front.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you found it informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. So I'll hand over. So I'll have.